Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business.
Welcome back. Today we're joined by Bud Center of iCar. Bud, thank you for having us here in Appleton, Wisconsin at the Tech Center. It's been a great week of shooting videos.
You're very welcome.
So, I heard about this Repairers Realm that you guys have been talking about. Tell us a little bit more.
So Repairers Realm is a technical forum that iCar's created. It's really intended to get technical information out to the industry. It could be any segment of the industry, but it's communicating technical information. It could be things that come from the OEMs. It could be from really, again, just about any source. But we also focus on some of the other things, the other challenges that the industry has. One of the things that we hear, glue pull repair. It's new, it's something that's out there and a lot of people are starting to use it. We had a Repairers Realm event about it where we brought in glue pull repair experts and walked through the process of prepping the panel, making sure you've done that right so that you get the right kind of adhesion in the pull and just the process on how to do that. So we had that. And just yesterday we shot one on a laser brazed roof replacement with Scott Caboose from American Honda. And it was very well received. So that's what it is. It airs every month on the last Wednesday of the month at noon.
Okay.
Central.
So last Wednesday every noon, or last Wednesday of every month at noon Central. And again, it sounds like a great point. Now, how can our viewers or audience members, how can they provide feedback to this?
So anybody that wants to get to us and provide feedback can do two things. They can either go to the iCar website, scroll to the bottom, and click on Contact Us, scroll to the bottom, and then click on Ideas and Suggestions, and they can provide their input there. Or they can contact me directly, send me an email. It's bud.center@i-car.com.
This is a great way to engage the industry, and I'm looking forward to taking part of this realm, and I hope you are too. So thank you for joining us today.